एवरीवन। आज की क्लास में हम प्रिपरेशन मेथड्स ऑफ एल्डिहाइड्स एंड कीटोन्स पढ़ेंगे। सो प्रिपरेशन मेथड्स ऑफ एल्डिहाइड्स एंड कीटोन्स। फर्स्ट मेथड इज oxidation of alcohols. Suppose we took primary alcohol. Primary alcohol is 1 degree alcohol. Let us take one example like RCH2OH. If we do oxidation of it, then we will get RC double bond H. This is aldehyde. If we took the secondary alcohol, and if we do oxidation, then we will get the ketone. Suppose this is the group RCHOH R dash. If we oxidize it, this we will get ketone. Okay. Now second method by dehydrogenation of alcohols. इस मेथड से भी हम एल्डिहाइड्स और कीटोन्स बना सकते हैं. सपोज वी टेक 1 degree alcohol RCH2OH. If we put copper at 300 degrees Celsius, then hydrogen will remove and we will end up with the aldehyde. This is aldehyde. If we took secondary alcohol R2CHOH, and in presence of copper at 300 degrees Celsius temperature, if we remove hydrogen, then we will get with this product, and this is ketone. If we took 3 degree alcohol and in presence of copper 300 degrees Celsius, H2O will get removed and we will end up with the alkene. This is most important. If we took 3 degree alcohol, suppose this is the alcohol, 3 degree alcohol, R1, R2 and R3, then we will end up with the alkene. So this is the second method by dehydrogenation of alcohols. Another one is hydration of alkenes. Suppose we took ethine, CH triple bond CH. This is ethine. If we put H2O in presence of H2SO4 and HgSO4, then we will get ethanol, CH3CHO. This is ethanol. And if we took RC triple bond CH and in presence of H2O, H2SO4, HgSO4, then we will end up with this product, C double bond O, CH3. This is ketone. Okay, so this is the third method. Fourth one is ozonolysis of alkene. Suppose we took this alkene R1 C double bond C, R2, R3 and R4. If we put ozonolysis, then we will end up with the product R1 C O C O O, and this is R4, this is R2, this is R3. In presence of zinc and water, we will end up with this one, R1 C double bond O R4 plus C double bond O R2 R3 plus ZNO. So this is the fourth method. By ozonolysis of alkene, we will end up with the ketone. Another method is hydroboration of alkyne. Hydroboration of alkyne. Suppose we took this alkyne group RC triple bond CH, and in presence of B2H6 and H2O2, these are the two reagents in presence of hydroxide ion. This is first reagent, this is second one. So we will end up with the product RCH2 C double bond O, and this is H. So this is hydroboration of alkyne. Next method is Wacker process. In Wacker process, we took alkyne like this, CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2O plus the catalyst is used palladium chloride. So in presence of copper chloride and air or oxygen, what we will get? We will get the aldehyde C double bond O H plus palladium plus 2HCl. Okay, during this reaction, the palladium chloride PdCl2 is reduced to palladium, and CuCl2 is reduced to copper 1. Okay, the next method is aqueous alkali hydrolysis of jam dihalides. Suppose we took this example RCHCl2 in presence of aqueous KOH RCHOH. This is the product we will get, and after dehydration, what we will get? We will end up with the aldehyde. This is the aldehyde group. Okay, so the next method is distillation of calcium salt of acid. Suppose we have this initial reactant. If we heat it, then calcium carbonate will be removed and we will end up with this ketone. Another example we can take, if R is equal to CH3, then CH3 COO twice calcium. If we heat it, then this is the product we will end up, and calcium carbonate is formed, and this is calcium acetate. ओके, सो आज की क्लास में हमने मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ बोथ एल्डिहाइड्स एंड कीटोन्स के बारे में पढ़ा. कल हम केवल एल्डिहाइड्स के मेथड्स के प्रिपरेशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. आज की क्लास के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू सो मच.